Is this a mini jellyfish or a blueberry? Let's find out together. To make this, you'll need blue and green yarn, a crochet hook, hot glue, and scissors. To start, make a magic ring and crochet 6 single crochet into it. Now make a slip stitch into the first stitch, then chain 1 and crochet 6 increases. To start round 3, make a slip stitch into the chain, then 1 chain. Repeat this start for all the rounds. Now crochet 1 single crochet, 1 increases until the end of this round. Round 4. 2 single crochets, 1 increases. Repeat to the end of the round. Round 5. 3 single crochets, 1 increases. Repeat to the end of the round. Round 6 to 9. Just crochet single crochet all round. No increases. In round 10, start as before. 3 single crochet, 1 decreases. Repeat around. Round 11, 2 single crochet, 1 decreases. Repeat around. Round 12, 1 single crochet, 1 decreases. Work it into the back loops only. Repeat around. Now, stuff the inside with fiber fill. And in the final round, decreases all the stitches. Then use the Khalifa bag method to close the ring. Now on the remaining front loops, 1 slip stitch, 2 chain, 2 half double crochets, escape 1 stitch, crochet like this across. When you're done, cut the yarn and that's it! For the leaf, chain 6 and from the second chain, crochet 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, increases 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and 1 slip stitch, and that's it! Use hot glue to attach the leaf to the bottom of the blueberry, and that's it! If you want a jelly blueberry, you can make it using the jellyfish tutorial. If you want it as a bag charm or bookmark, you can follow the bookmark tutorial and make it. Don't forget to follow and subscribe us. Love you!